Namaste children, this is Mausumi here from Mangala Vidya Mandira. This year I am going to teach you mathematics. This is your mathematics textbook. I hope you all have collected your textbook. Those who don't have collect, as early as possible collect it. And those who have collected, neatly bind your textbook. Now before starting the lesson, let us see how many chapters you have to learn this year. So this is your textbook content. This year you have to learn total 13 lessons. In that you have to learn addition, subtraction, money, pattern, data handling, etc. So first lesson is space, shapes and space. Okay. So this is first lesson. In this shapes and space, first concept is inside outside. So here they have, to make you understand inside outside, they have given a story about a camel and Arab. So Arab and camel went outside. It was too cold winter, and how first Arab make a tent and go inside that. Camel was outside. Slowly camel asked Arab it can put his neck, then two legs, like that way. Lastly this camel will go inside the tent and Arab will come outside the tent. To make that inside outside concept to clear, let us see here. See, two mangoes are there. Neatly you can observe. The first one mango, it is outside the box and another one is inside the box. Okay, so one is outside, another one is inside. What reference is box. Next one, see here one pencil box is there. So inside the box what is there? Pencil. Outside the box, eraser. See, so cat nicely it is observing. Inside one rat is sitting. So what inside? Inside the hole. So rat is inside the hole and cat is outside the hole. Now see, one nice nest and birds are there. So the chick is inside the nest and mother bird is outside the nest. Similarly, yes, I know everyone understood now. Yes, the boy is inside the house and dog is outside the house. Next concept is bigger and smaller. So when we will compare two things, we will say bigger and smaller. See here apple and cherry is there. So apple is bigger than cherry or cherry is smaller than apple. Similarly, this coconut tree is bigger than rose plant or this rose plant is smaller than coconut tree. Similarly, here elephant and rabbit. Yes, I know my all children have understood what elephant is bigger than rabbit or rabbit is smaller than elephant. Now the concept is biggest, smallest. So bigger, smaller, I told we will compare only the two things, but when we are comparing biggest and smallest, that time we will compare among more than two things. See here I have given the picture of three fruits: watermelon, mango, grapes. So easily you can identify watermelon is biggest among these two, among these three. Like grapes is smallest than mango and watermelon. Similarly, you can observe here so many pencils are there. How many pencils? Yes, 5. Among these 5, blue one is biggest and purple one is smallest. Similarly, among the three animals, this rat is smallest and cow is biggest. So we can say it is among these three. Okay, but among the all land animals, elephant is the biggest animal. You should remember. Okay. Now top and bottom. See this monkey top of the tree which is eating banana so happily. Correct. And the bottom one monkey is there which is observing because it also want a banana. You know, no? Monkey likes banana. Now if you observe this flagpole, the bird is top of the pole and the bottom who is sitting? Cat. Yes. Now see here, some 4 boxes arranged: blue, pink, green and yellow box. Among these 4, yellow box is on the top and blue one is in the bottom. Okay. Now as we learn bigger, smaller, similarly we can learn nearer, further. Say if I take the tree is the point where the rat is nearer to the tree and cat is further to the tree. But when it will come more than 2, what it will happen? Nearest or furthest. Now see, yes, you can say easily dog is the furthest from the tree. Yes, and rat is nearest to the tree. Correct. Okay. Now, so we have learned these all things. Now we will see what is there in the textbook. Yes, everyone open your textbook, page number 3. So first concept is bigger, smaller. So you have to tick first one, which one is bigger animal in these 2. Second, tick the smaller, which leaf is smaller or which animal is smaller. Similarly, the boys are playing with tire. You have to tick which tire is smaller. Now biggest, smallest. See here 3 plants are there, trees are there. Among these trees, which one is smallest? You have to tick. Here 3 animals are there. Which one is biggest animal? Yes, I know you all know, correct? Yes, elephant. Now here they have given 3 fruits. I also have given, no? So easily you can tick smallest one. Then the boy is making so many bubbles. So which one is biggest? You have to tick. Now here top, bottom. So you have to tick in these 3 pot which one is on the top. And in these 2 animal which one is at the bottom. Now nearer and further. So one home is there and 2 bird, 2 trees. So which bird is nearer to the home? You have to tick. Here 2 cat is there. One is here, one is here. Means one is, I can't say. So you have to tick the cat further to the tree. Now nearest, furthest. Okay. So here 4 puppies are running. So you have to tick which puppy is furthest from the tree. And there are 3 trees, 1 bird. So which tree is nearest to the bird? You have to tick. Now another one concept: on, under, below, above. So here one picture is given. You have to tick the children on the table. So which children is sitting on the table? You have to tick, and you have to cross the children who is under the table. See here the picture is given. The children who and all are on the table you have to tick. Who and all are under the table you have to tick. I hope you will do this work neatly. Okay. Now we will see the homework. Okay. This is your homework. First, you will write neatly the date, then chapter name, then this all keywords neatly you will write. So, first one is shapes, SHAPES. Second one space, SPACE. Third one inside, INSIDE. Fourth one outside, OUTSIDE, outside. Fifth one bigger, BIGGER, bigger. Sixth one, biggest, biggest, biggest. Seventh one, smaller, smaller, smaller. Then eighth one, smallest, smallest. Ninth one, top, top, top. 10th one, bottom, bottom, bottom. 11th one, nearer, nearer, nearer. 12th one, nearest, nearest, nearest. 13th one, farther, farther, farther. 14th one, farthest, farthest, farthest. So these all keywords neatly you will write 2 times. After this you should complete the textbook pages from 3 to 8. So what we discussed now, that's all pages neatly you will complete. I know you all children as very good children, you will all complete on time. Okay, thank you children.